Okay, go swim again. Go swim.
Crawled and thought she was swimming.
Go swim. Swim.
Look.
Swim, Coco, swim.
Coco, swim. Look her legs. Look, she goes like that. You see what she was
Oh my
doing,
God,
right?
yeah, like a frog. What type of swimming is that, Coco?
JJ.
Come swim, go, go, go. Go, JJ, go swim with JJ again. He likes it. I know.
Coco swimming.
What type of swimming is that? It's crawling.
She's pulling the. You like it, Coco?